Patrol Academy!
Today we have a very special project. As part of our Play Patrol Academy series, we're gonna do a bucket drumming lesson and learn some cool new patterns and play to the pop song APT. I'm so excited. Player one, you're gonna start off with this pattern for our first pattern. Here we go. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Play along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Right, left, right, right, left. Watch your sticking as we play. Right, left, right, right, left. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4, and stop. 1, 2, and 4, and 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 right, left, right, 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 right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that, play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Very good. Now let's move on to the last pattern, which is a little tricky because it's pretty much all eighth notes, but it has one quarter note at the end. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Play along with me. Let's go slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Watch your sticking. Here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Just alternate the stick as you play the pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and stop. Now, if you've learned all of the patterns and you're ready to play, let's get ready to rock out. Let's go. Want your child to learn drumming without the sound overload? Ah! My practice drum pad combo is the perfect solution. It comes with a practice drum pad and case, drumsticks, and a Mr. Boom Boom's Music Room t-shirt. You can grab yours today by visiting MrBoomBoom.shop and use promo code YouTube10 to save 10%. Now, this lesson was part of Play Patrol Academy, my new website where we have full lesson plans for teachers to use in the classroom or families to do right in their homes. We have lesson plans for preschool circle time videos, music history, musical storytelling, and drum play-along videos for buckets, djembe drums, cajon drums, and so much more. Please join us by going to playpatrolacademy.com and use code YouTube25 for a special membership rate.